Today we want to discuss about the linear equations exercise 3.2 children. So 9th question children. What we can discuss about that? Question number 9 exercise 3.2. What is that question? Children, you want to read the question. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio is 5:7. 4 years later means after. So the sum of the ages will be 56 years. What is the present ages? Children, now we want to take solution. Let what we can take. So the ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio they given. Ages of Rahul and Harun, okay, are given in the ratio or given in the ratio 5:7 children. Correct children? So according to the age of Rahul by Arun is equal to that. Let age of Rahul then also 6 years later from now we want to take after 4 years. After 4 years, how we can represent them also? The age of Rahul will be age of Rahul. Now we want to take Rahul is equal to 4x plus 5 or then also 5x plus 4 whatever it will. Now we want to consider 5x plus 4 and age of Harun also. What is that? The ratio is 7x plus 4. Okay children, now we want to take sum of their ages. We want to take sum of their ages. Their ages is equal to 5x plus 4 into then also 7x plus 4 is equal to what is the sum is 56 years. Correct? See children, ages of Rahul and Harun are given in the ratio 5:7. Therefore the ages is equal to 5x and 7x. After 4 years, age of Rahul will be 4 years is plus 4. 5x plus 4 and age of Harun is 7x plus 4. Sum of the ages is equal to 56. Children, now we want to write the condition. So write 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equal to 56. 5x plus 7x is equal to how much? 12x plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. 56. Children, 12x is equal to 56. This plus sign will come into right hand side is minus 8. 12x is equal to what is that? 48. X is equal to 48 by 12. So children, now you want to write x is equal to 4. Okay children, it is a very simple age. Children, now you want to write the answer. Rahul age is equal to how much? Okay. Rahul age is equal to 5 into 4 is equal to 20 and Harun age is equal to 7 into 4 is equal to 28. Over children. Children, now you want to take next question. 10th question. Shall I rub this one? Okay children. So next now you want to take question number 10. What is that? Question number 10. See children. Children, it's a very simple question. The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio is 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. What is the total class? Children, now you want to take number of boys and girls. This is answer. Number of boys and girls are in the ratio. So, number of boys and girls are in the ratio is there also 7:5 children. What is that? 7:5. Okay, children. Therefore, now we want to take, let the boys be 7x and girls be 5x. Correct, children? This is the ratio. Children, now we want to take, given that number of boys is more than 8 more than the girls. Children, now we want to take, according to that, number of boys is equal to 8 more than the girls. Correct, children? This is the condition. Now we want to take number of boys is equal to 7x, 8 plus 5x. 7x minus 5x is equal to 8 and 2x is equal to, what is that? 8 and x is equal to 8 by 2 means how much? X is equal to 4. This is the condition. Correct, children? So now we want to take number of boys is equal to, now we want to present here. So number of boys is equal to 7x, 7 into 4 is equal to 28, and number of girls x 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Any doubt, children here? First the given number of boys and girls in the ratio 7:5. Let the boys be 7x and the girls be 5x. Number of boys is equal to 8 more than the girls. That's why 7x is equal to 8 plus 5x. 7x is there. This plus 5x will come to left hand side is minus 5x is equal to x. 7x minus 5x is equal to 2x. X is equal to 8 by 2. X is equal to 4. And the number of boys is equal to 7x. 7 into 4 is equal to 28. And the number of girls is equal to 5x. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. Correct, children? Any doubt here? Okay, children. Now we want to take question number 11. What is that? Question number 11. So, this is a very simple question, children. Shall I have this one? Okay, children. What is that question? Children, now we want to take. So, and Baichun's father is 26 years younger than Baichun's grandfather. Okay? And 29 years older than Baichun. The same of the sum of the ages of all three is 135 years. What is the age of each? Children, now we want to take, let Baichun age be x6. Let Baichun's age be x years. Correct, children? And given the condition is Baichun's father is Baichun's father is 29 years older than Baichun's. 29 years older than Baichun. Correct, children? And Baichun's father is equal to, how we can consider this one? X plus 29, correct? And as well as, okay, children, now we want to take, and Baichun's grandfather is equal to, Baichun's grandfather is equal to, now we want to take 29 plus again to the 26 years. So again his father's age 26. Children, x plus 29 plus 26 is equal to 55. X plus 55. Sum of 3. Then also sum of all the ages is equal to 135. Children, now you want to take sum of all the ages. Sum of all 3 ages. Sum of all 3 ages is equal to Vaichung is x and his father is x plus 29 years and his grandfather is x plus 55 years. You can add both 3 number, there are 3 ages, x plus 29 plus x plus 55 is equal to totally 135. Correct? 1x plus 2x plus 3x. What is that? 3x plus 29 plus 50. So 9 plus 5 is how much? 14. Carry on. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 84. Correct, children? So children, this 84 will come into left hand side is minus 84 is equal to 3x. 5 minus 4 is 1. And 13 minus 5 is 13 minus 8 is 5. Then also 51 is equal to 3x. Correct, children? Now we want to consider x is equal to 51 by 3. So x is equal to 27. Okay, 3 ones are 17 years. Vaichung age is equal to 7 years. Now you want to take Vaichung age. Vaichung age is equal to x is equal to 17 years. His father is how much? X plus 29, correct? 17 plus 29, correct? Now we want to take according to that 46 years. So grandfather is equal to x plus 55 years. So 17 plus 55 is equal to 7 plus 5 is 14. Carry 1. And 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 74 years. Correct, children? So this is also over, children. Children, and Vaichung age is x years, that means 17 years, and his father age is what is that? Then also 46 years, and grandfather age is 74 years. Children, you can understand this one. Okay, children. Children, now we want to take the last question. What is that? Very simple question. Okay. Children, what is that? See, children, 15 years from now, Ravi's age will be 4 times his present then also age. What is the Ravi's present age? So, children, now we want to take solution. Ravi's age be x years. Let Ravi's age be x years. Correct. And 15 years from now we want to take 15 years from now we want to take x plus 15. Correct, children? What is that? Then also 4 into, now we want to take, what is that? 4 into present Ravi's age. So what you can then also 4 into Ravi's present age. Ravi's present age and age is equal to, so now we want to take then also 15 years from now. 15 years from now. Correct, students? What is that? 4x is equal to x plus 50 and 4x minus x is equal to 50 and 3x is equal to 50. X is equal to 15 by 3. What is that answer? X is equal to 5 years. Now, Ravi's present age is 5 years. Children, you can understand this one? So remaining problems we want to continue in the next exercise children. This session is end children. Thank you children.